I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Emil. Today we are visiting Rodeo, a barber shop here in Frederiksberg in Copenhagen. And today we are going to make a pompadour hairstyle with faded sides on our model Jonas. Mads will do the awesome haircut. I can't wait to get inside because it's super freezing cold here in Denmark. It's probably not cold for you, Jonas?
No.
I heard
you're
you
in the Danish ice bathing now, right? So yeah. It's getting better.
Let's go inside.
I got tons of soul. I got tons of soul.
Style is going really good, and right now Mads is taking care of the beard. He already faded the sides and he went from 0 millimeters here, made a little connection between the beard and the hairstyle. The top is around 12 centimeters at the neck. Mads made a sharp line here, as you can see, and kept a little bit of length so it stands out. Jonas got high volume. We already pre-styled the hair with Sidekick to achieve a high volume and then make sure that the hairstyle is blended well together with the sides and the top. And before the haircut is done, I'd like to talk about Jonas. He has produced 5 episodes, Twin Factor, and he was the guy behind the camera and he did all the editing. Right now he is on a new project.
Yeah, so mainly like what I wanna or what I am working on right now, also with the help from you guys, you know, is that I'm about to develop sportswear for men. Actually, it fits really well into my lifestyle and what I like to work with, and also, you know, after we did our episodes with Renee and with the other guys, you know, being able to film videos with athletes and other men, I think that'll be the perfect fit for me. The design is still a secret, but because you guys also helped me, you know, in regarding to know like the color scheme and stuff, then I wanted to bring them today.
Sounds excellent. It's a top secret project, and you might reveal it in medium spring.
Yeah.
If you haven't yet checked out the videos Jonas produced with us, go and check out the Slick Hair TV Twin Factor. You can find the link down below.
Downtown, wake up, downtown, wake up, downtown. I want to save my soul. Went up, downtown. I went up, downtown. Went up, downtown. Up, save my soul. 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 Oh, child, save my soul. Up, save my soul. Up, save my soul. Up, save my soul. Oh, child, save my soul. Up, save my soul. Up, save my soul. Up, save my soul. Oh, child.
The hairstyle is done, and Mads, you did a great job. We got the pompadour look with faded sides. We went from 0 millimeters here at the beard line and blended together with the top and finished around 5 to 7 centimeters. And the top length around 10, 12 maybe. And then we got, if we look in the back, a classic 70s finish, 70s-ish. Alright guys, remember to comment in the comment section down below and let us know what to do next time. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.
I was walking out one evening late. Moon was rising high. Headed for the riverside, around us fuss and fight.